Film you for your Uncle Michael.
Open it up. Oh my God. Is it? What is it?
What's that? Oh,
What do you think it is? Newspaper. What do you think it is? What is it? Oh my gosh.
He's got the stamps and everything.
I love tearing that paper off.
both of you guys say that.
Oh, somebody's playing with the ball.
Basketball.
Oh, yeah.
Take your paper.
What is it? Oh my God. Uncle Kevin, it's a basketball.
He said same to Uncle Tony too. He's like, it's Uncle Tony, it's a basketball.
It's a regular club.
What is it, Jackson?
What is it, buddy? And they were all the same place. And I said, well, I'm just going to get this
Red, blue, or yellow.
You know who that's from?
I'm not sure what the difference is.
I'm not either.
Oh, well, you grab that.
Hey Jackson. Jackson, can you say thank you, Uncle Michael and Vince?
No, this one is
Michael and Vince.
Thank you, Michael and Vince.
Can you say it to here? Hey buddy.
Say it right there.
Say it to the camera. We're gonna send this to Michael and Vince. Say thank you, Michael.
Good job, girls.
Thank you.
Yay.
Michael.
And Vince.
And Vince.
Yay!
Yay!
I love my
So
basketball.
much work, isn't it?
Yeah.